Everyone, we got Jamot. Today, let us learn very important verb in Dinka language. Verb law. Law in English is verb to go. Verb to go. Law. Law mean to go or going. So let us see some of the example that I have written here so that we learn how to use verb law in Dinka language. Let us begin. And law mean I am going. I am going. And lo by and lo by mean I'm going home. I'm going home. And lo pandia and lo pandia mean I'm going to my home. I'm going to my home. And lo panabun and lo panabun I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Panabun mean school. And lo panakim and lo panakim mean I'm going to hospital. I'm going to hospital. Panakim mean hospital. And logeu mean I'm going to town. I'm going to town. Geu mean town. Geu town. And lo twitch and lo twitch mean I'm going to play. I'm going to play. And looking mean I'm going for a journey. I'm going for a journey. And looking. And lo Junub Sudan. And lo Junub Sudan. That mean I'm going to South Sudan. I'm going to South Sudan. And lo America. And lo America mean I'm going to America. And lo Awil Panda. And lo Awil Panda. I'm going to our homeland Awil. And lo Nyamlel. And lo Nyamlel mean I'm going to Nyamlel. Nyamlel is a county in Awil West. And lo Nyamlel, I'm going to Nyamlel. And lo Matiang Riang Panda. And lo Matiang Riang Panda. I'm going to our homeland, Matiang Riang. Matiang Riang is a village in Awil West, in Nyamlel. And lo Ruai Ich. And lo Ruai Ich, meaning I'm going to the wedding. And lo Domich. And lo Domich. And lo Domich mean I'm going to the farm or to the garden. And lo Raptem. And lo Raptem, I'm going to harvest the sorghum. And lo Nonich. And lo Nonich, I'm going in the grass. And lo Utich. And lo Utich. And lo Utich mean I'm going to cattle camp. Cattle camp mean Utich in the cattle camp. And lo Nin, I'm going to sleep. And lo Cham Ikun. And lo Cham Ikun, I'm going to eat food. And lo Dek Ipiu. And lo Dek Ipiu, I'm going to drink water. Dek Ipiu mean to drink water. Piu mean water. Dek mean drink. And lo Dek Icha. And lo Dek Icha, I'm going to drink milk. Cha mean milk. Dek mean to drink. And lo Dek Imau, I'm going to drink wine. Mau mean wine. And lo Awil. And lo Awil, that mean I'm going to Awil. Awil. Awil is one of the state in South Sudan. And lo Luang Nialich Ich. And lo Luang Nialich Ich, I'm going in the church. I'm going to the church. And lo Nialich Door. And lo Nialich Door, I'm going to worship God. I'm going to worship God. and lo wir, and lo wir, and lo wir mean I'm going to the river. I'm going to the river. Wir mean the river. And lo gum ipiu, and lo gum ipiu mean I'm going to fetch water. I'm going to fetch water. It's going to collect water or fetch water. And lo kwen itim image. And lo kwen itim image. I'm going to collect firewood. Team team image mean firewood. Team image firewood. And lo hot, and lo hot. I'm going in the house. Hot mean house or room. And lo pur irap, and lo fur irap. I'm going to cultivate dura or sorghum. And lo yip itim, and lo yip itim. I'm going to cut trees. These are example of and lo, which mean I'm going, by Ranfioch Tongjang William Majak. Please follow, like, share, subscribe to YouTube. The name of YouTube is called Dinka Learning Class. Just type Dinka Learning Class. You will get our YouTube and you will learn with us there. Dinka. Nialich Kawek Kuyania. Ayan William Majak Malegde. So if you find this one useful, please share it to your loved one so that we learn Dinka language together. This today is only learning the verb law to go. That is the verb to go. So these are so more example that we learn, and I hope we are going to learn more in next time. Nyari kawek, yeah. Bye bye. Bye. William Majak Malekde.